This is the weather forecast for February 4th, 2003. There is a low-pressure system in the northeast, bringing rainy, stormy weather. It's caused by a cyclone turning counterclockwise when warm air at the center rises and cool air replaces it. The cyclone turns counterclockwise because of the Coriolis effect. There is a high-pressure system in the northwest, southwest, and the south, bringing clear, dry weather. It's caused by an anticyclone turning counterclockwise when winds spiral outward from the center, moving towards areas of lower pressure. Towards the southeast, there is a cold front moving out to the Atlantic Ocean, bringing stormy weather and clouds. Cold fronts are caused because of a rapidly moving cold, dense air mass running into a slow-moving air mass that's less dense. Then the cold air slides under the lighter warm air. There is a warm front heading north, bringing rainy weather and precipitation. Warm fronts are caused by fast-moving air overtaking a slow-moving cold air mass. Since warm fronts move slowly, the rain and clouds might last for a while. An occluded front was spotted moving northeast, bringing light rain, and because of warm air above it, there will likely be precipitation. Occluded fronts form when a warm air mass is trapped between two cooler air masses. Then the two cold air masses push the warm air up, making the ground cooler. A stationary front is moving west, bringing snow and most likely colds and precipitation. For dates, stationary fronts happen when a warm front and cold air mass hit each other head-on. In Madison, Wisconsin, the high is 36 and the low is 23. In the north around Wisconsin, the high is 40 and the low is 0. In Boston, Massachusetts, the high is 45 and the low is 34. In Tallahassee, Florida, the high is 77 and the low is 54. Around Florida in the southeast, the high is 80 and the low is 50. In Austin, Texas, the high is 83 and the low is 43. In the west, the high is 60 and the low is 30. An air mass is a large mass or column of air. A maritime polar air mass usually brings cool, moist weather. A maritime tropical usually brings warm, moist weather. A continental tropical air mass has hot, dry weather. A continental polar air mass brings cold, dry weather. A continental Arctic brings bitterly cold and dry weather. Isobars are the lines that run on the map. They measure equal air pressure and help show where pressure systems are. If the pressure is around 1024 to 1028, it's most likely the start of a high-pressure system. Then the numbers go down by 4 each time until you reach 1013. If the pressure is around 1000 to 1004, then it's most likely a low-pressure system. Then the numbers start going up in 4s until you reach 1013. Precipitation is formed in many ways. One way it is formed is through pressure systems. It's formed in pressure systems because air cools as it rises, which can cause water vapor in the air to condense into liquid water droplets, sometimes causing precipitation. Precipitation is also formed through some fronts. In a warm front, the air moves into an area of colder, drier air. They don't mix at first, which means the warm air rises slowly over the colder air because it is less dense. This causes also precipitation. Thanks for watching.